This right here was a payment I got for using Google Tool for 30 minutes. This is a stack of cash. Now if you want results like these and stacks of cash, then all you have to do is go to. Check this out right over here. As you can see, this payment was sent to me for utilizing the tool I'm about to show you for just 30 minutes of work. Now results are not typical. You may earn more than this, the same, or a little bit less, but I can tell you one thing. If you don't follow the exact steps in this video, results like these will not be possible for you. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into the 3 steps. Now the 3 steps to making $255 per hour from Google Translate are: Number 1. I'm going to be unveiling how to utilize the Google tool to produce cash. Number 2. I'm going to show you the top 3 websites that will pay you big. And number 3. I'm gonna show you my $1,000 per day on a pilot system, but that will be as a bonus towards the end, so make sure to watch through the end of this video. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Now this right here is the Google Translate tool. This tool will not be paying. You will be utilizing this tool on the 3 websites I'm about to show you. And these 3 websites are ranked from the lowest paying to the highest paying, so make sure to stick all the way through. But the cool thing about this tool is that you can press this right here, and everything that this tool hears will type out for you, and that's called transcription. You can even transcribe from English to Spanish, as you can see. Or you can transcribe from Spanish to English, and lots of other languages, hundreds of other languages with this tool. So as you can see right here, this tool works awesome. I mean, it just transcribed everything that I said. And there are businesses out there that will pay you to transcribe whatever you hear. Okay, now you don't need to have to do the work. You're letting Google Translate tool do the work for you. And it's completely free, so the money you're gonna be earning doesn't require any of your efforts. Just let Google Translate do all of the work. The first website that we're gonna go to now isn't the highest paying website. This is the lowest paying website, but it's the one you're gonna get started with. Simply head over to gotranscript.com. They will pay you 60 cents per audio minute or per video minute. The average earnings per month on this website is $150. But the top monthly earnings, which are more of what you're gonna achieve, is $1,215. Because you're using the tool, you will be able to get maximum output and be doing as many of these transcription jobs as possible. So the top monthly earnings will be more achievable utilizing this tool. Again, there are higher paying websites out there that I'm about to show you, but this is the one that you're gonna get started with, especially an extra $1,000 a month. This is a great start as either a side hustle or something that you can actually build into a little bit bigger of an income. So all you're gonna do is press apply now to this job. That's all you have to do, and you can get started with gotranscript.com. They have transcription jobs from home, so you can work from home and get paid reliably. You will receive weekly payouts, so that's actually really nice, because a typical 9-to-5 job you get paid bi-weekly. You get a paycheck every 2 weeks, but they are gonna pay you out directly to your PayPal account every single week, so you don't have to worry about your money not getting sent to you. It's gonna be sent to you right away. Work flexible hours. Work as much or as little as you want. So if you have extra time during the day, you can do that. Or maybe if you have a full day that you just want to make money the whole day, you can do that as well. Choose your project, receive great support, grow your skill, stay busy, and just enjoy these transcription jobs with the tool that I showed you. So this is a great site to get started with. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. The next site is even better. This one is called gmrtranscription.com. Now this site is higher paying, and as you can see right here, this is the founder. You can view his LinkedIn profile, and as he said, our primary goal is to offer the highest customer satisfaction by offering accurate transcription and translation services. So lots of businesses, big businesses come here to get transcription jobs, so you know to get things translated or just get the words from the videos. Now what you're gonna do is you're going to go up to careers and you're gonna click on that, and that's gonna bring you to the next page. And as you can see here, there are thousands of businesses like McDonald's, AT&T, Levi's, Dell, and Amazon working with this company. Once you click careers, it's gonna bring you to this page right here where it says, transcribe better, earn better. This page also says, our transcriptions typically earn between $1,000 to $3,000 per month. Okay, now you're earning $3,000 from this site, maybe another $1,000 from the other side, and that's $4,000 bucks. The last site I'm going to show you pays out even more than this, so that really adds up. So this is great. You can just click here and apply. General transcription or Spanish transcription. And I know they pay even more for the Spanish transcription, but you don't have to speak Spanish. You just go over here to Google Translate and you can transcribe in Spanish as well, so that is just really cool. Now if we scroll down, no fees or experience needed, continuous growth and learning, work from home flexibility. You can even watch the testimonial of this lady that you know has made hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month doing this. And this is recommended by a lot of different websites, and you can see that there are lots of people earning paychecks and enjoying their transcription jobs. So you can go ahead and apply here, and it's a great way to get started. Now the last site is the best site out there, the most reputable transcription site out there, and that is Rev.com. This is where I have personally gone and spent thousands of dollars on transcriptionists, meaning you could have been on the other end of what I would have been giving you money, right? To do transcriptions for YouTube videos, for promo videos, for videos that I'm running for advertisements, and they charge the most because they have really fast turnaround times, and you know that they have bigger businesses coming to them. CBS, Viacom, PBS, really big businesses coming here and getting transcription services. What you can do is apply on this site to become a transcriptionist. Now this is how much they charge. $1.25 per minute, and they charge even more for foreign subtitles, $3 to $7 per minute. So you can see how that can add up exponentially. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna scroll all the way down and you're gonna go to careers, and that's gonna open up the freelance jobs. So we can see freelancing jobs, work from home with Rev, earn money transcribing or captioning from home. So you can do this from home, from anywhere in the world. All you need is Google Translate, maybe a computer or even your cell phone. So create a flexible work schedule. You can choose from hundreds of jobs every single day. Work as much as you want and get paid weekly. Receive weekly payouts via PayPal for all work completed at Rev.com, and that is really cool. As you can see right down here, transcriptionists earn 30 cents to $1.10 per minute, and captioners earn 54 cents to $1.10 per minute. Now if you scroll down to Know a Foreign Language Subtitler, $1.50 to $3 per minute. So this is what you want to do, because you don't need to know other languages. So as long as Google Translate does the work for you, you can get paid big. And they've been featured in Penny Hoarder, Forbes, and Business Insider. So as you can see, this is a very legit site to get started with and earn some extra money. And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.